Welcome on board the AmaDolce. This is Barb Straightaway Travel, and I'm going to walk you through my experience heading through the Bordeaux region on this lovely ship during the holiday season. So, festive delights, taste of Bordeaux. You can see here that the ship is completely decked out for Christmas, and it is just a warm and inviting atmosphere with a lot of Christmas and festive fun on board. And you can see AmaDolce is a smaller ship, and it maxes out at 140 passengers. We had 79 passengers on this voyage, and it was just lovely. Everybody got to know each other. The lounge is such a fun place. If you notice that the trees are not decorated, which I questioned when I got on the ship, but that's because of one of the festivities is going to be decorating these Christmas trees. I'm going to show you the room categories briefly. So there are 51 French balcony staterooms. They are 170 square feet. So they are smaller, but this is a smaller ship. There are only 6 suites. So take a look at the extra room. It is 300 square feet. So best to secure these well in advance because there are only 6. And then your other option is going to be the Swan View staterooms on the first deck, the bottom deck, called the piano deck, and there are only 18. So 51 staterooms with balconies, 18 Swan View, and 6 suites. So work with Straightaway Travel and we will get you in the room that's perfect for your needs, wants, and budget. Because the chef's table is right by my room, I'm just going to briefly show you the size of it because all of the areas of the chef table on AmaWaterways are different. So I will show you more later, including our invitation to it and our food presentation. Just know that there is room for everyone to experience it on board. I'm just going to briefly show you the gym, which is actually a really good size for this small ship and even has a sauna. Then let's walk down and see the main dining room. Keep in mind, there is plenty of larger tables, and then there are tables for 4. Depending on how many are aboard your ship, a lot of times you can eat by yourself if it's just 2 of you. If you'd rather eat with other people, you certainly can, and you will most likely be making friends along the way. So breakfast, lunch, dinner, all are phenomenal down here. They do have quick bite for breakfast in the lounge too. If you don't want to do a sit down, you like to just grab a muffin or something quick before you take off for the day. Just amazing cuisine here. So, all right, there is a lot of the ship. Let's go into our itinerary. All right, we're in Libourne. Yes?
Yes.
All right. We're off to bike through the vineyard or walk through
The town. And then
Saint Emilion. Here we come. And do some Grand Cru wine tasting. All right, here we go. We have a tour guide and we have our fitness instructor, and we're off to a vineyard. Gotten pretty good at it. I know. Wrong way. We are learning a ton of history and knowledge about the vineyards and wineries in area. Keep in mind, August, September, even slightly into October, these vines are going to be gorgeous.
That's what I guess because I met her.
You will learn about the icons and billionaires who have invested in this region and purchased some of the huge wineries. And also know that the city of Bordeaux and the area itself is an UNESCO World Heritage Site. The best part of Bordeaux, in my mind, if I were coming back to Bordeaux, I would spend way more time here. Welcome to Saint-Emilion. Yes, now I know how to say it. A storybook village in the heart of Bordeaux's wine country. It is surrounded by rolling vineyards. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is known for producing some of the world's most elegant and sought-after wines, especially the rich, velvety reds. I met amazing people in a couple little wine shops. The village itself dates back to medieval times. Cobblestone streets, underground cellars, a remarkable monolithic church carved entirely from limestone. So whether you're sipping wine at a family-owned chateau or just taking in the views, it is stunning and an unforgettable blend of really history, charm, and world-class winemaking. I highly recommend this location.
That's where we were. And Ozone, the other which has dropped out.
Yeah. I loved my bike ride through the vineyards, and it was about 16 miles. My colleague did the Saint-Emilion tour, walking tour, and loved it as well. But it all wraps up with delicious wine and a cheese board before we head to Libourne for the evening.
Tasting, you have this plate. I'm going to put it on the other side. Maybe I want to get off the bus and see this. I think I was one of two people that got off.
Libourne et profitez de tous ces beaux moments à venir.
For the pickle hunt competition, someone dropped its credit card, okay?
Cheers.
It is a strange story. Louis the 14th and Louis the 15th, they had a lot of mistresses. And I already told you, Louis the 15th was a libertine man, but he was in love with two of them.
Okay, so good morning. We are in Blaye, France, and on AmaWaterways, you typically have at least 2 excursion options for every stop. So this morning, the options are to tour the Citadel, and the second one is a hike through a vineyard in Blaye. So we have the hikers that are going to the vineyard that are off right now. So they leave a little bit early. It's supposed to have 2 groups, but I think that because the group is so small, and maybe they'll divide up. They did have 2 different colors. So when you get to the front desk, they'll give you a card to be in the pink group or a card to be in the blue group. And then because they do try to keep their tours in small groups. And then we chose to do the Citadel. So we have another half an hour. We're going to go get a cappuccino and a quick bite to eat and then tour the Citadel. Of course, with the tours, you do have your Vox system. They'll tell you what channel to turn to. And you can hear the tour guide telling you all that you need to know. I have an AirFly, which allows me to use my wireless headset. So that's a cool little trick as well. Of course, we have our room key. When you leave the ship, you sign out. And then when you come back in, you sign in. That's kind of how they keep track of you as well. So we're going to go enjoy the Citadel. Nice to have choices. And then we are going to float to Bourg, and we have 3 different options this afternoon. So a busy day here in France on the Ama Dolce. We're in the boat. There's a cannon hole. Okay, so Blaye, or Blaye, depending on what part of France you're from, was amazing to see the Citadel. It was lovely. Now we are in Bourg. On our way here, it was about an hour and a half. We enjoyed a delicious lunch downstairs. And then we had a crepe making demonstration and enjoyed some crepes in the lounge. And now we just pulled up to Bourg. And foggy day, but that doesn't matter. We're gonna go out. We're going to do about a 45-minute walking tour to learn about the history of this portion of Bordeaux. And then we have the exclusive AmaWaterways wine celebration. So stay tuned for that.
Okay, so let's go into the
We are at the Festival of Wine with AmaWaterways in Bourg.
Seul dimanche au bord de l'eau, très beau, des petits oiseaux, suffit pour que tous les jours semblent beaux. Quand on se promène au bord de l'eau, prenez des locataires de petits coups dans son lit.
The town of Bourg. So before to let the show on, I will tell you a bit more about our beautiful territory. So Bourg is classified all village.
Hi. Okay, so we just got our invite to the chef's table, something that is included in your AmaWaterways voyage. So it says a unique and memorable dining experience awaits you tonight. Your reservation is confirmed at 7 p.m. on Monday the 15th, and it is from the executive chef. Let's take a look at our menu. So it has wine recommendation, and then we have escargot, we have a beef tataki with a ponzu sauce, and it has multiple courses, and it is the same menu throughout the voyage. So you only need to go there once, and we'll show you what it looks like and tell you how good the food is. Okay, we arrived in Pauillac. Pauillac is the most elite wine region in Bordeaux. So it is where all of the great chateaus, Chateau Rothschild, and if you even just Google the best chateaus, you're going to find that they are in Pauillac. So it is a beautiful port to pull into. The sun is out. We are going to go to Margaux and do some wine tasting of some Grand Cru Bordeaux wines, and do some tourings to see all the beautiful vineyards in the Chateau region of Bordeaux. Then we're going to go in the town and have some sweet treats, and then we are back on the ship. So let's go to Pauillac and have some beautiful Grand Cru Bordeaux.
And stuff like this. Yeah, you see. Great property, expensive, but great. Is it better temperatures? Yeah. So we are still in Pauillac, but ta-da.
Take a seat, take the space, take off your coats because it's hot.
What a great day in Pauillac, and learning all about the winemaking process, and then having some delicious wines and treats there. So we are back on the ship, and tonight is the chef's table. So it was phenomenal. It was so good. I took no videos, enjoyed my company and the food, and I will just show you a few pictures of, you know, what to expect. Of course, the menu's different every time you board, but it was fabulous. So I signed up to do the walking tour, and I actually had so much fun with the biking group that I asked if I could switch to the bikes, and luckily there was one. You can typically switch your excursion the day of. Biking is usually a hard one to get into because there are only a certain amount of bikes. But I got lucky this day, and it was amazing. Great place to do some shopping. We all got some fun outfits, and France is always a great place to get some cosmetics and facial care. So Bordeaux is amazing. I really can't wait to experience it in the true ripe season. But if you want a great price on an excursion with Ama and some festive fun around Christmas, this is an amazing voyage. And just remember that we do have extra perks, extra promotions, extra onboard credit. So don't get on the river without us. We are your river cruise experts, and we can't wait to help you get on board.